Freezing panes is ideal if you have rows and rows of data that you need to keep track of while still being able to view the main headings. To freeze the top row only, click on the View tab and click on Freeze Panes from the window group. Click on Freeze Top Row. The top row is now frozen in place and is still visible as you scroll vertically up and down the spreadsheet. To unfreeze a pane, click on Freeze Panes and select Unfreeze Panes. To freeze the first column, click on Freeze Panes and select Freeze First Column. The first column is now frozen in place and is still visible as you scroll horizontally across the spreadsheet. To freeze a new pane, the previous pane must be unfrozen first. To freeze multiple rows at once, select the row below the row you would like to freeze. Click on Freeze Panes from the Freeze Panes list. To freeze multiple columns at once, click on the column to the right of the column you would like to freeze. Click on Freeze Frames from the Freeze Panes list. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.